We have been traveling for, what is this?
About 3 years now.
We're in our third year, right?
Yeah.
We have become a lot more intentional about what we're going to do with our time.
And where we're going to go.
And who we're going to spend that time with. We're calling it our Mission 26. There's a lot going on this year. There's a lot to celebrate. There's America's 250th anniversary and Route 66.
Right, the 100th anniversary of Route 66 as well.
Yeah. And so that's going to be kind of part of our mission. As you know, our son is getting married, and that's part of our travels, heading back to Michigan to be there for that. And that's a huge part of our mission for 2026.
Absolutely. So the mission 2026, and that's what we hope that this inspires you as well to take your mission for 2026. And we're going to be traveling across this great country of ours on its 250th anniversary. We're going to take mostly Route 66 as much as we can to get there from Arizona, starting in Seligman, the birthplace of historic Route 66, so we can be there for our son's wedding. And we want to take you along for that journey. But more important than our journey is your journey. What's your mission for 2026?
We would love if you would give ideas in the comments below about what you hope to do this year. Go outside. Go see family. Be with your family. Be with your friends. Touch grass. It's really, really important to kind of keep yourself centered and be intentional about how your time is being spent. But we'd love to hear what you hope to accomplish in 2026.
For us, our Mission 26, we're celebrating it with some special wear that we've created. And to take you along, we've decided to share some of the special merchandise with you. We've set up a special store that has some special merchandise monogram with the Mission 26 logo. But more important than that is a way to remember your Mission 26. And we've come up with something that I think is pretty darn special.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And it's something you can design on your own and put in whatever you would like. It's a bit of a journaling type of...
Well, I'll tell you what, Michelle, let's go inside and let's show them what we're talking about.
Yeah, let's do that.
Come on in.
Here is the journaling book that we were talking about. We designed a fun little journal. This is the cover of it, Mission 26, We Roam United. It's really a lovely notebook. It has that really soft feel to it. And it is a dot type paged journal, so it makes it easy to write. So I've begun mine, and where we begin our journey in January was at Kartchner Caverns in Benson, Arizona. So we also have found this wonderful little teeny printer that prints any photo that you want, and this then can become a sticker. Peel it off, and then you can stick it in your book. So you could do this by purchasing stickers from the places that you want to remember. You could do something like this. We have started to, as we meet people along the way and get together with them, we take a photograph and then print a picture right away, both for us to put in the book, and if our new friends or family or old friends would like a copy of the picture, the sticker, the picture sticker, then we print it right off for them right there on the spot. So it's really been a lot of fun and handy to have on hand. And we hope that you will find this encouraging to have a tool to document your mission for 2026. And because of the dots, it makes it really nice to have it be straight. Nice and straight. This is a picture of our Airstream in the sunset at Kartchner Caverns. There's my sticker placed right in the book. And that's my first page of my Mission 26. I've got to catch up a little bit, but we wanted to show you one idea of how you could use this really wonderful little journal.
And then I think we said we have these in our new storefront as well, our Mission 26 specialty storefront, just for Mission 26.
Yep. So these will be available just for 2026 in our shop. So check it out.
And not only shirts like this, we've created a special of our AirStreamer crew caps with the Mission 26 logo. In fact, if you notice, Michelle's has the Mission 26 logo and mine does not. I just have a Route 66 pin on mine. My cap is older than our Mission 26.
We hope that you will check out these new merchandise items, and they're going to be a limited time just for 2026. So get on board and become part of the AirStreamer crew. If you have an Airstream, it's a great way to call yourself an AirStreamer crew.
Can I interrupt you?
And if you don't, what?
Look on the ground right there. We're being watched.
What is it?
It's a little gopher. We have a gopher that is watching us film. I'm going to do some meta stuff. I'll use my phone. I'll put the... And there he is. He is absolutely curious about what we're doing right now. Look at him.
He's cute.
It's a friendly little guy. I wonder if I get closer to him, if he'll go away. Let's see what he does.
You go away?
He just went
Right
down his little hole. He went away. Very fun,
totally
very
lost
fun.
my train of thought.
That's okay. Because I'm going to intercut this all different ways and everything.
Right.
Oh, he's out peeking again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say, I remember now. So be sure to check out the new merchandise, limited time only. It'll be available for 2026. And become a part of our AirStreamer crew. If you have an Airstream, you can be an AirStreamer.
That's right.
And even if you don't have an Airstream, you can be an AirStreamer.
You can be part of the AirStreamer crew.
Yeah. So be sure to check it out.